Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple has just rolled out the release candidate aka RC version of macOS Sequoia 15.5 to both developers and public beta testers just 1 week after the fourth beta was made available. Developers enrolled in the beta program can now access the update through the software update section in the System Settings app, provided their Apple ID is linked to a registered Apple developer account. So far, macOS Sequoia 15.5 looks to be a minor update with no major feature discovered in the earlier beta versions. The release candidate is expected to be the final version that launches to the public next week, assuming no critical bugs emerge during the final round of testing. With this release, Apple is nearing the end of future development for macOS Sequoia as attention now shifts to macOS 16, which is set to be previewed at WWDC 2025 in June.